Hello dear student of Sector International School Khiljian. Today we will discuss a new topic for 6th standard. Chapter number 3, Motions of the Earth. Firstly, open your textbook, page number 18. Okay, are you ready? So let's start. Earth has two types of motions, namely rotations and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. This is a north pole, this is a south pole, and this is a axis. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 degrees with its orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. The earth receives light from the sun. Due to the special shape of the earth, only half of it gets light from the sun at a time. You can see this picture. There is a night because it's a darkness, and there is a shining brightness because there is a sunlight. The portion facing the sun experiences day, while the other half away from the sun experiences night. The circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called the circle of illuminations. This circle does not consider with the axis as you see in this figure 3.2. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The period of rotation is known as the earth day. This is daily motion of the earth. Next, we will talk about the revolution. The second motion of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. It takes 365.14 days, approximately 1 year, to revolve around the sun. We consider a year as consisting of 365 days only and ignore 6 hours for the sake of convenience. Look this picture. This is the sun and earth is moving around the sun. This is the revolutions. 6 hours saved every year are added to make one day 24 hours over a span of 4 years. This surplus days added to the month of February. Every 4 year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. Okay. A year is usually divided into the summer, winter, spring and autumn seasons. How seasons is a change due to the portions of the earth around the sun. See here, this is a spring, this is a winter, this is a summer and this is a autumn. When the earth around the sun, it happens the changing in the seasons. North hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. As a result, these areas receive more heat. The areas near the poles receive less heat as the rays of sun are slanting. The North Pole is inclined toward the sun and the places beyond the Arctic circles. That's why the Northern Hemisphere is getting light from the sun. Whereas in the summer in the regions north of the equator, the longest day and the shortest night at these places occur on 21st June. At this time, in the Southern Hemisphere, all these conditions are reversed. It is the winter season there. The nights are longer than the days. This position of the earth is called the Summer Solstice. On 22nd December, the Tropic of Capricorn received the direct rays on the sun as the South Pole. Tilted towards as the sun rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn. A large portion of the Southern Hemisphere getting light. Therefore, it is a summer in the Southern Hemisphere with the longer days and shorter nights. This reverse happens on the Northern Hemisphere. This portion of the earth is called the winter solstice. On 21st March and September 23rd, the direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. At these positions, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun, so the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. Okay, on 23rd September, it is autumn season in the north hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. The opposite in the case of 21st March. When the spring in the northern hemisphere and the autumn in the southern hemisphere. I hope you understand this is the difference between the rotations and the revolutions. Kindly make the notes on your notebook. Thank you.